Okay, I'm out at Monte Sereno, new construction home being built by Janni that we're representing him on. And we've been doing some progress videos and photos. Just thought I'd give you a quick peek. They just did the exterior stucco. Looks great, love the color. It's brownish color, but it kind of brings out a little bit of grayish to it as well in person. Love the garage doors. There's the front entry over there. Look at these views. Taking it through the back because everything's taped off for paint and stucco. Huge covered patio. Sliders off all the bedrooms to the back patio. There's going to be a built-in little barbecue here. Huge sliders off the living room. Tons of natural light. They're at the drywall stage inside. You can see these great ceilings in here. Just a massive living room. So that's the front door. I'll kind of show you out front because the stonework is phenomenal. Look at that. Just such great detail. So that's the other side of the entry. So those sliders open up on this side, and this is how you get to the front door. But I'll show you another kind of cool design that John did on this house. Very unique. So I'll do that first. I'm gonna go back towards the front entry. I couldn't get there because it's all taped off, but pretty cool. So this is kind of a pass through from the house to the garage. So, you know, elements, weather and whatnot, you don't have to worry about that. So this is the front door. And these are those sliders that I just showed you on the other side where the stone wall was. So you could walk through here straight ahead and get to the front entry, or from the garage. Look at this great garage. So they're finishing all the interior doors. Great size garage. So yeah, you could come from the garage, it's snowing, rainy outside. You don't have to worry about it. Just walk straight into the house. This is a laundry room, mechanical closet, and kitchen here. Look at that awesome window. I love that big window, which will overlook that big stone wall out front. These are all taped off so you can't see the natural light, but there's gonna be tons of natural light in the kitchen. So there's a couple spare bedrooms this way. It's gonna be a half bath. And I love how he incorporated natural light in the bathroom here. Walk-in closet. All the bedrooms have their own bathrooms. Again, tons of natural light. Another bedroom with a huge walk-in closet. And those are the sliders that will overlook the Sangre de Cristo Mountain view. Be an amazing view. And then in-suite bathroom. So kitchen, living, dining. Front entry, closet. And then it's got this kind of this bonus room that I guess we're calling a study, but it could be really whatever you want it to be, an exercise room, you name it. This is the master suite, and this bathroom is going to be incredible. I can't wait to see it when it's finished. And of course it's got the walk-in closet as well, good size. And the primary bedroom. And those views will be just, you can't beat them. I think the best views in the city are out here at Monte Sereno personally, but that's just my opinion. So anyways, just wanted to give you an update on this house that John's building that we're representing him on. It is under contract, but he's always looking for another project. So, and we know some great lots. So anyways, if you're looking to maybe explore building, give us a call, and we can set you up with John as well. Just kind of talk through the process and go from there. All right, talk to you soon. Have a good day.